Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change texture quality in Path of Exile 2. To change the texture quality, go to Options, then go to Graphics tab and go to Texture Quality. Now you can set it to high or medium, and it has high impact on your GPU. So if your GPU isn't doing well when it's set to high, I would try putting it on medium and see if that helps. But for the best quality of image, I would leave it on high. So it depends on which GPU do you have. And if you have any FPS drops, then I would try putting it on medium. Don't forget to hit on save if you've changed its settings, then click on close. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.